to Lime Beauty Salon. Thank you for visiting us. How can we help you?
I want to transform myself as beautifully as RUMI.
Okay, let me transform you into the intense Lumi from K-pop Demon Hunters. First, let's treat the pimples on your face. The inflammation is severe, so I'll squeeze it out first.
Ouch!
Well done for holding back. I'll disinfect the wound for you. Apply the medicine to heal the wound quickly. Wow, your face looks so clean now, doesn't it? Let me take a look at your hair. Your hair is in great condition. I think you just need to change your hair color. I'm going to try the newly released Demon Hunters product for a pretty purple hair color. Let's take a look. I need a hairbrush too. Now apply it evenly to your hair. What do you think of Lime Beauty Salon, friends? If you like it, please like and subscribe. Let's go to the shampoo room. Prepare number 1, Cha-Cha shampoo. When shampooing, it is important to create a rich lather. Slay! Now that I'm done shampooing, I'll rinse it off thoroughly. Make sure there's no foam left behind. Wow, it's perfect. Let's take off the towel and check your hair. Oh, the hair color turned out beautifully. I've got the hair dryer ready. I'll dry your wet hair with a hair dryer. You need to brush your messy hair too. It's so pretty! Use a comb to brush the hair on the top of your head forward. I'll divide your hair into 3 sections and braid it for you. Comb your hair back and tie it in a ponytail. I'll braid your hair into 2 pigtails. This braided hairstyle is a traditional Korean style. Lime likes ponytail styles. What hairstyles do your friends like best? Leave a comment below. Lime magic! I've got the cleanser ready. I'll clean your skin with cleanser. Get your eyebrow pencil ready. Draw sharp eyebrows in a deep brown color. I've got the toner ready. For moisturized skin, apply toner to your face, neck, and shoulder line until it is absorbed. I'm going to wear dark brown circle lenses. Wow! I prepared Cha-Cha Powder Compact. Apply powder evenly along the skin texture to match your skin tone. Our products have a subtle woody scent that is pleasant and refreshing. Go off! Today's focus is on makeup that emphasizes the eyes. We will transform you into the most intense concept in K-pop Demon Hunters. So cool! I've prepared a black leather outfit. Oh, that's cool! We have prepared items that will make your transformation even more perfect. How about these items for Lumi makeup? Aren't they cool? I'll attach nail tips that match the black concept. Ta-da! Wow! Don't they look like cool K-pop idols? Finally, I'll apply Shasha Lip Balm lipstick. Since the makeup emphasized the eyes, I just kept my lips moist. The K-pop Demon Hunters Lumi makeup you requested is now complete. How do you like K-pop Demon Hunters transformation into Lumi? Do your friends think the transformation was successful? If you are satisfied with Lime Beauty Salon, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned to see what transformation we will do next.
Subscribe! Like! Quick click!
Who's this? Oh, this furry puppy that came to Lime's house looks like he needs help. Let's take a look together. Which one should I start with? I think these hairs are a problem, don't you? What do your friends think? First, let's brush out the tangles. Oops, that hurt. Sorry. I think I'm going to have to trim all the tangled hairs. I'll cut the fur short with the hair clippers. Let's go! Wow, that's a lot of hair. I need to pick up the pace. Huh? That's not a puppy. If you know who it is, leave a comment telling us where you saw it. I'll brush off the stray hairs. Wow, it was a tiger, not a puppy. What's your name? Oh, you were Duffy the tiger with the cool pattern. So cute. Derpy's claws are so sharp, they're dangerous. Let's get our claws trimmed. I'm so proud of Derpy for cutting his toenails so gently. Do your friends take good care of their pets? It may be annoying or difficult, but it's something that needs to be done. I'll chop it up a bit so it's not so sharp. Let's see what it looks like in every nook and cranny. Wow, it's perfect. Thirsty? Let's get some water. I'll carefully immerse the Derpy in the hot water in the prepared bathtub. I was worried, but I think I like the water temperature. I don't have tiger shampoo, so I'll use dog shampoo for now. I need a sponge to make lots of lather. He's a great bather, and Derpy is so sweet. I'll take you to your room. I've got a fluffy cushion for you. You'll love it. Let's blow dry Derpy's fur to perfection. Ouch, there's a wound. Let's get you to the hospital first. Derpy, you're a good boy. I'll brush your fur to make it shiny. Oh, I'm smitten with the charming Derpy. Are your friends too? Derpy, hold on a second. I want to give you a G8. A bit small. Wait, I have a friend who can introduce you to them. This is Sussy the magpie. Say hello to everyone. Okay. He gave Susie the gift of concessions. It's a great match, isn't it? And that's how they became friends. How did you like it, friends? If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next installment of the illustrated story.